The EQS SUV is the first all-electric luxury SUV from Mercedes EQ. At market launch, the model range comprises three variants, EQS 450 Plus and EQS 454 Matic, each with 265 kilowatts output, and the EQS 584 Matic with 400 kilowatts. The prices start at €110,600 for the EQS 450 Plus. EQS 584 Matic starts at €135,300. The models can be ordered now and will reach the first customers in Europe in December. The model series is produced in a CO2 neutral manner at the Mercedes-Benz plant in Tuscaloosa, USA. This cushy family transport is at its best when calmly cruising, its standard air springs and adaptive dampers helping it glide down the road with a soothing sense of isolation from the outside world. Its cabin is pleasantly quiet below triple-digit speeds, and its structure felt impressively solid. The EQS Saloon was the first model series from Mercedes-Benz in which additional vehicle functions can be activated in several areas via over-the-air updates. With the EQS SUV, this offer is significantly expanded. For example, Trailer Maneuvering Assist or MBUX augmented reality navigation can be activated at a later date. Mercedes Me Charge offers access to one of the largest charging networks worldwide. It currently comprises over 850,000 AC and DC charging points, including around 350,000 in Europe. Since 2021, Mercedes-Benz has ensured a subsequent offset with green electricity when customers use Mercedes Me Charge to charge their cars in Europe and North America. High-quality guarantees of origin ensure that as much green power from renewable energies is fed into the grid as is withdrawn via Mercedes Me Charge. The new Mercedes Me Charge function Plug and Charge allows convenient charging of the EQS SUV at public charging stations that support plug and charge. The SUV offers plenty of space, comfort and connectivity in its avant-garde, luxurious interior. The second row of seats can be electrically adjusted as standard. A third row of seats with two additional individual seats is available as an option. The seats in the EQS SUV fold up from the load floor mechanically. With the seats folded, the floor is level. In combination with the third row of seats, an easy entry function is standard in the second row of seats. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe, share.